ZS5, delivering oil-free air at a pressure up to 1.5 bar and a flow up to 6,000 cubic meters per hour. The state-of-the-art oil-free element is specifically designed for low-pressure applications, delivering higher flows and consuming less energy. Combined with the IE4 oil-cooled motor and the optimized cooling circuit, we've reduced energy consumption by 15% compared to the previous generation. On top of that, the IP66 classified motor is dust-tight and even capable of handling strong jets of water, ensuring reliable performance even in the harshest of environments. Our Class 0 certification ensures there is no oil added during the compression process, delivering you oil-free air that safeguards the quality of your end product. By increasing the service intervals on filters from 4,000 to 8,000 hours, and by giving the technician more space to work on our unit, we've managed to decrease the service cost by 30%. So no matter what your requirements are, our ZS5 is the ideal solution for your production process.